It honestly means so much. Like, it actually means so much doing this with my friends that have been on the rip all day. I don't even know if they'll even have seen the fight, this late start. I don't know if they'll, what shape they'll be in. But my mom and dad's out there, my family, my girlfriend's up in the box with her friend. They're just fucking buzzing to see Ryan McMullen sing out more than me fight, I think, more than anything. But, I can't, like, that'll never be normal, like, walking out in front of that crowd and doing that. Like, I could do that next week, it'll be exactly the same. It's like, I'll take that to the grave. Unreal.
And there was quite a lot of back and forth between you and Alan.
It's all crack.
All crack.
It's all crack, lad. Fun.
Right, obviously, the Fight Academy Ireland, how does it feel to be in that system around all those great fighters? You've Paddy McCrory, Paul Hughes, Rhys McKee. How does it feel to have that fresh start?
Deadly, lad. They say, change is as good as the rest, they say. And when you're in the game so long, it's good, it's deadly, like, it's deadly. No, it's just, it's half given me a half new lease of life, and I really, really, really enjoyed it. 3 camps has been class, and just to be home at the weekends, going to, this sounds stupid, like I lost my last fight, this is so stupid. I'd done a bit of training up in Fight Academy, and then me and Tyrone went to the Tyrone Club Championship, and Loch McCurry was playing Carrickmore, and I goes, I'm moving home. I had a lethal week of training. I went home and switched off. We and him went, watched the championship with our dad, and I was like, I am moving home here. I'm going to do it here. I want to be here, you know, and it's been class, been 6 months. I was meant to fight, in the Usman versus Alfie Davis card in Dubai in February, and I'm really happy it didn't happen because I would have been a wee bit rushed. I've got time to like work the systems with the new training partners, new city, new house, new everything. Me and my girlfriend just getting settled in I don't actually know Belfast really because I only lived in Tyrone and then I went to Liverpool. I don't really know Belfast, so a lot of news. And, I just see me there at the new class with the new team and you. I think it was a live wire, so not the country. Straight through. I'm going to get you down. I'm going to get you back. I'm going to finish you. I'm going to get the fuck to Kelly Cellar after. That's what I was thinking. I'm going to go at you. Just energy. I'm just going to go at you. And that's what happened. That's it. Class, like.
We know your style now. A lot of wrestling, ground and pound, heavy attack. Do you feel stronger in there tonight up in that weight class?
Alan goes to me after, he's like, I knew you were strong, lad. Holy fuck. And he goes, that's what everyone says, lad. That's everyone who grabs me says, fucking hell, lad, you're strong. That's my only worry about 145. So I lose that. But I was like, no, I don't lose it because they're only cutting down the weight that I was cutting. And I was a bit compromising myself at 35, you know what I mean? But it's not just strength. It's a lot of technique as well within it too, and hip positioning and work with Pat and game planning and studying the game, but I am physically very strong. So that farmer's milk, boys, growing up in that raw milk, you know what I mean? From good stock.
That's a bet. Alright, congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much.